Hi, Jeuelyfish here to talk about another random Enter the Gungeon fact. You may already know about the grappling hook item, which when used will allow the player to pull themselves towards a wall with damage immunity to any bullets that they may run into along the way. And you probably already know that it can stun enemies as well. But did you know that when you're traveling to a wall with the grappling hook and you drop it from your inventory, while you're still traveling, your character will become invincible and unable to move or dodge? From this state, you can, for whatever reason, open the map to restore the ability to move, while keeping the invincibility effect. You won't be able to dodge roll anymore with this glitch, but there's no point since enemies can't hurt you and you can float over pits and hazards. Also, bonus random fact, did you know you can steal items with the grappling hook? But unlike other items that can be used to steal, it always has a chance to get your character caught by the shopkeeper, even if it's your first attempt to steal. Hopefully these random facts are also useful facts, but either way, I'll catch you later.